I'm sure I'm not the only one that's wanted to just punch or hit something like a vending machine in Times Square, and that's essentially what Rovio is doing for the 10th anniversary of Angry Birds. Together with Droga 5 in New York, they've developed a venting machine that's Angry Birds branded, and it's basically a thing that's made for you to attack. You can punch it, you can shout it, you can pull it and grab it, and at the end you'll get a prize. It's all part of Rovio's Bring the Anger campaign to Times Square, and it's something they're going to be doing across all the Angry Birds properties too. There's also a petition to have all the players pop 10 billion pigs, and if that happens, Rovio is going to donate $100,000 to UNICEF. So you can contribute in your own little way if you're by Times Square and you can just mess around with this thing. The venting machine is all handmade here in New York, and it basically is the vending machine that I've always wanted to attack in my life. It's covered in plush covering, perfect for you to punch very nicely, and there are several cameras throughout it too, so it'll record your whole session and feed you, some highlights towards the end. And some lucky players too will have their footage displayed on a billboard above Times Square, so you can probably be some sort of cool Angry Birds star there. And it's definitely been designed to be pretty stable. I tried pulling it and grabbing it, and you can't tip it over easily, which is a strange thing that people have happened with vending machines when they mess with them. So you don't have to worry about that. It's designed for kids and adults alike, and it's going to be set up in the middle of Times Square, so pretty much the perfect spot for when you want to vent your rage here in New York. The prizes are going to be either Angry Birds branded stress-relieving toys, or pretty much anything else that will help you deal with your own internal anger. I'm sure we have all got a lot to deal with here. So this definitely looks cool. It's only going to be available on Thursday, November 21st in the middle of Times Square. Maybe it'll pop up somewhere else, but Rovio doesn't really have any plans yet. So in a way, things have come kind of full circle for Angry Birds. What started as a mobile game that really helped define iPhone gaming is now something you can punch and attack in the real world, in Times Square. That's pretty cool. Stay tuned to Engadget for other weird, cool videos like this, and certainly as we approach CES, we're going to see all sorts of fun gadgetry. And if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe.